we've had reports of something that's been going on today.
Yeah.
With you and the law enforcement agency. So at the moment you are detained.
I'm detained?
Yeah, until we figure out
Oh, mate, thank you so much.
Has been provided, okay?
Yeah, you're going to put hands on me here?
No, I'm not going to cuff you.
No, you're putting hands on me.
I've got my hand on you.
Let's go to the person.
No, so you're not going to go down here. You're going to stay here for.
Am I?
Okay, yeah.
Wicked.
So you're going to stay here until we figure out what's going on. At the minute you're detained.
I'm detained.
So you're not under arrest.
Good.
Until
I know what I'm doing. This ain't my first rodeo, love.
Okay.
Can you just tell this gentleman
so you can't go over
that I'm allowed to film in public?
For me, okay?
Can you tell him I'm allowed? No, I'm not going to. You got your hands on me.
I've got my hand.
Get your hands off
me.
me.
If you continue to be aggressive, then you will be cuffed. Okay?
Go on then, cuff me. Go on.
At the minute,
I haven't done anything.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on. I'm not saying.
I'm filming him in public.
Okay. I'm not saying.
I'm filming him in public, like this.
Stay here for.
My camera.
Calm down. Calm down.
The camera don't lie, love.
I'm not saying that you've done anything wrong.
Yeah, you are. You're detaining me. You're holding me in public.
This officer's response is reckless from the moment she shows up. Within seconds, she detains the auditor on nothing more than vague hearsay, no clear allegation, no actual offense, just a hunch. That isn't suspicion, it's assumption. Weiss, she restrains him while admitting, "I'm not saying you're doing anything wrong." Think about that. She's holding someone she knows hasn't broken the law. That's not policing, that's unlawful detention. The auditor was simply filming in public, exercising a right. Instead of assessing, questioning, or investigating, she skipped straight to control, because for her, force was easier than accountability.
All these people think that I'm doing wrong, and you're holding me over something this little goon over here said.
Right, calm down, okay? You don't want to be calling people names in the street, okay?
Goon.
I heard what you said.
It's not illegal, love.
I didn't say
Get your hand off me.
No.
Yes.
You are being detained until, calm down, until I figure out what's going on. Are you okay?
No, I walk around filming people. It's what I do.
Okay,
it's not weird. He can't just call you. He's called the police, and you come up to me and put your hands on me.
You are detained.
And detain me.
Yeah. Calm down.
What time did you detain me?
I know.
Can you identify yourself?
Yeah, look, I'm in full uniform.
Are you recording? Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Why haven't you told me you're recording? You need to tell me at the first opportunity.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Should we get your things up so we can have a look at it?
This is always on. It's never on on camera.
Mate.
Okay?
No, same as mine.
Calm down for me.
When the auditor asks if they are being recorded, something officers should disclose immediately. The reply is an apology. It's a shrug. We don't need to. That's flat out wrong. Under Pace Code G and UK policing guidance, if an encounter is being recorded, especially during a detention, the person must be told. Transparency is supposed to protect both sides. Instead, this officer not only failed to give proper grounds for detention, she also withheld basic information, while restraining someone who hadn't committed a crime. That's not accountability. That's concealment.
No, I won't. Calm down. You're putting out like. Do I look like a criminal to you?
I know you're a lovely boy.
Exactly. Do I look like a criminal to you?
you're not.
So why are they? You're grabbing me.
Listen.
I'm telling you what. There's a
arrested you.
funeral going on over here.
Exactly.
Right.
So calm
Let's
down.
go over here.
So calm down. I've tried to come down here. Tried to.
You? Goon.
Come on, calm down.
Put me in the van. Go on.
I'm not putting you in the van. I'm sitting here.
No, I'm not sitting nowhere.
If you just sit here,
I'm not taking no directives off you. I was filming in public.
That's fine.
I'm a man with a camera, not a gun.
No, we know.
Favour,
We're just trying to find out what's
No, I'm not doing you any favour.
Just sit there.
I'm not doing you any favour.
Calm down for me.
Let you go.
I am.
Making us.
Listen.
You're going to make negotiations with me when I've done nothing wrong.
Not trying to negotiate. We're just
At the minute, I can't figure out what's gone on because I'm dealing with you.
No, don't push me.
Stay there.
She's pushing me.
Stay there.
She's pushing me.
My camera's on.
You're all right. You haven't done anything.
Why? Stop pushing me
All I
then.
want you to do is stay here.
You're controlling me. You're trying to give me directives.
Yeah.
I haven't done
So I'm
anything.
trying to figure out what's going on.
Well, listen to me.
Even as the auditor calmly explains himself, the officer keeps using needless force and repeats a hollow line. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. But she's not listening. So how could that be true? You can't uncover facts by silencing someone and holding them down. It's a textbook case of confirmation bias. She decided he was in the wrong before he spoke, and now every word or movement only fuels her assumption. Instead of assessing fairly and communicating, she treats lawful behavior like a threat. And that's why encounters like this don't end on the street. They end in court.
Yeah, but we have to speak to both parties.
Listen to me. No.
Okay, I know, I understand. Listen, calm down. Doing that and pointing out to him
Alright, sorry.
and causing more issues is going to make something
Go down
happen,
to the
isn't it?
cube. Go down to the cube. Do
I
inquiries down there.
can't because I'm dealing with you. I can't go and
Blah,
see
blah,
you.
blah,
I
blah.
can't go and
Don't
see
put
them.
your hands on my property.
Don't point that in my face.
I'll point it wherever I
Put it in
want.
my face, okay? Listen.
Just explain what's happened.
I was filming the back of the Securico van, like a G4S,
Yeah.
like that. And he's gone up to the man and said, "Oh, he's filming you." And then he's like, "Oh, I don't give you permission to film me. I'm in public. Go and explain to him that I can film in public."
Was that any reason
you
for
can.
filming the van at all?
Yes, because I can. Because this is what happens when you do.
Listen.
No,
Listen,
I wanna
stay
hear
here
what
for
you're
me.
saying.
No,
No,
you're not.
no.
You're not going to make the situation worse.
Why are you putting hands on me?
Because you're trying to get involved and make the situation
No,
worse.
I'm not.
All I'm trying to do...
I need to hear what he's saying.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't.
I'm walking down the road filming, and you're just a goon.
Listen.
Now jog on.
Down. Stop. There's no...
Have you detained me as well?
No, you are detained.
Have you detained me? You detained me.
I detained you.
What station are you
I'm
like?
from Pembroke Dock Station.
Yeah?
719.
Another Pembroke Dock Station.
719. There you go.
Yeah.
Full force of your camera.
I'm waiting for 720 quid off on you
Oh, why?
for illegal detainment.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
When the auditor reveals is already set to receive £720 in compensation from the same force for a past unlawful detention, it makes this encounter look even worse. You'd think a payout would push them to act carefully and follow the law, but instead, they're repeating the same mistakes in real time. If financial penalties don't lead to better conduct, then these aren't isolated slip-ups. They are signs of a pattern, abuse that keeps happening because the system hasn't truly been held accountable.
All I've asked you to do is stand out the way for me.
No, you pushed me. You put hands on me. Everybody's seen it. It's all on camera, mate.
Because you keep on wanting to go over there, so I'm trying to prevent you.
I don't want to go nowhere near
going
that
over there, okay?
person.
As we've said, it's all on our cameras as well.
Yeah, and it's all on my camera.
I know.
Fine.
I know it's all on your camera.
I haven't done anything wrong, mate.
Listen, I haven't said you have.
So
I'm saying-
why grab my arm and make me
I'm
look like a
saying to
criminal
you-
in front of everybody in Tenby? Like,
Listen to me.
it's a small town.
Listen to me.
I'm allowed to film. Why aren't you going over there and telling him?
Listen, my colleague's over there to speak to him.
Honestly, I swear on my kids' lives, I was like filming the G4S. He said, "Oh, you can't. He's filming you." And then the G4S man said, "Oh, you can't film me in pub. You can't film me. I don't give you permission to film me." What's his job? He's in a public, and he can't tell me not to film him in public.
Okay.
Can he?
Well, you know, you are like the same as we can't tell you to not film us.
Exactly.
When a G4S driver called police claiming he was being filmed, the first question should have been simple. Where's the person filming? If the answer is in public, the matter ends there, because recording in public is entirely lawful. But that filter failed, and the call was treated like crime. Officers rushed in with force and detention, never pausing to test legality. The auditor calmly explained the law, while the G4S guard acted as if working in public somehow granted him privacy. It doesn't, and that's a hard truth.
Why am I being criminalised?
I haven't arrested
Yeah,
you.
you've detained
I
me.
haven't said, yeah, but that's different to arrest.
Get off my arm.
We're not having this. We're not having this pulling to. Just stay here for me whilst we figure out what's going on. That's all I want you to do.
All I've done is filmed in public.
Okay? But because we've had a report,
Of
we
what?
just need to make. We just need to
What is
see
the report?
Everybody that's involved. At the moment, I'm not sure. My colleague's over there trying to get more
Why are we
information.
trying to speak to you about
Okay? This is what I'm trying to tell you. What was your name?
Really?
Why can't I ask you that question?
Because I don't need to give you it.
Okay, well, I'd like to know who you are.
Why?
Because I'm talking to you.
Why do you need to know who I
You've
am?
asked who I am because you're talking to me.
Yeah, that's your policy, isn't it?
Yeah, so
I ain't got no policies. I don't work for you.
I just asked you. Who
You work for me.
Okay.
You're gone.
This moment highlights just how dismissive some officers can be of legal limits. She detains the auditor without grounds, then demands his name, not because the law requires it, but simply because he asked for haze. That isn't due process, it's tit-for-tat policing, and it's unprofessional. Her tone makes it worse. When reminded there's no legal duty to identify himself, she replies, "Well, I'd like to know who you are." But policing isn't about what officers want. It's about what the law allows. And here, none of the criteria for demanding ID have been met.
So my colleague's just going to speak to you from the report that we've had, okay? So at this moment in time...
So at this moment in time, you're under arrest and a suspicion of harassment. So you do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defence. We do not mention with one questions in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence.
Cool.
Right.
All right.
Well, we'll have to take the phone away.
Arresting someone for harassment based on a vague complaint without any actual conduct that fits the law is reckless. Hey, the auditor was simply filming a G4S van in public. Completely legal, no threats, no repeated targeting. Yet the officer escalated, grabbed him, and pushed for arrest. From refusing to give clear grounds, to admitting she was recording without informing him, to demanding his name only because he asked for Hayes, the entire approach was petty power play, not policing. Claiming harassment was nothing more than a desperate attempt to justify force after rights had already been trampled. In the end, the auditor was awarded £563 in compensation, a small financial win but a huge symbolic one, proving misuse of power doesn't go unnoticed. The real cost, though, is public trust, wasted resources, and the exposure of a culture where some officers treat cameras as threats and the law is optional. This wasn't a mistake. It was a textbook example of bad training, worse judgment, and accountability arriving only when taxpayers foot the bill. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And check out Dyslexic Auditor. His channel is linked below.